There is
Oh,
a lot of noise. Is AI going to replace the jobs? Is it a black box? So I would like to start with Mr. Shahid to please shed a light on these things.
so what I would like to do is, let's take a pause here and take a step back. And let me just start with saying the technology always has been changing individual jobs and the society collectively, right? A long time ago, if you think about a farmer using oxes in plowing the field, and when the tractor was invented, the farm size increased, the yields increased. When the cars were invented, you had horse carriages disappeared, but the taxis were developed, right? Not too long ago, we had toll booths with people collecting tolls, and we had long wait times. And then the digital tolls were invented, and now we travel faster, longer distance, quicker. Right, so technology has always been having an impact on everybody. This is the first time that AI is actually having an impact on the white collar jobs. So this is here to stay. It's going to get aggressive and going to get bigger. The underlying point is it does have an impact, but it also creates a tremendous amount of opportunities for all of us in the use case to use technology. This increases dramatically, right? So it's organizations like Pro Training Tech can genuinely help people to reinvent themselves or build a bigger skill set they can develop, right? So anybody who used to do coding now becomes an editor. It doesn't need to code from scratch, but they can get 60 to 70% done through Claude Code, a bunch of other agents. But then they can use their skill set in other ways. So yes, it does have an impact, but the impact is extremely positive if we all look at it as, hey, I get more opportunity to do bigger things. And people who are scared of it will have a negative consequence, but people are open to accepting this technological change, and advancements in AI are going to benefit tremendously.